Bro, it's crazy because, like, I've been sitting here contemplating how I want to do, like, this fucking intro, bro, but bro, intros are cringe, bro. I don't even want to really do an intro. I just want to say, like, ask y'all how y'all been type, cause like mentally too, cause like me mentally, like my mind, bro. I don't even sleep at night. My mind spirals, but I don't even want to talk about that. I don't want to get too deep into it. But nah, for real. Yeah, I just want to say, like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe so you can hit 500K. I mean, nah, 500K is crazy. So we can hit 500 subs to get monetized that shit. But yeah, y'all know what y'all here for. As y'all can see by the title, y'all hear how to turn baggy jeans into skinny jeans. Now, you only like 3, 4, maybe 5 things. You gonna need template jeans. When I say template jeans, I mean like a pair of jeans that already fit you comfortably the way you want them to. The jeans that you wanna turn from baggy into skinny, of course. So that's 2. Sewing machine. I don't even have a sewing machine yet. It's on the way currently. Today's the 9th. But sewing machine, thread. You need like thread. The thread the same color as the jeans. And I said markers. I think the 2 jeans, the template jeans, the jeans you want to transform, markers, sewing machine, thread, and that's it. But I'm gonna show y'all the jeans that I'm gonna get and try to transform. Now these jeans, these probably not the best jeans, but I had these jeans before. I don't know what happened to them. I was trying to find them. I don't know what happened to these jeans. But I'm gonna get these, the 28 regular with the rose on them. And I had these before, and they didn't fit. So I just kind of like, I don't know if I gave them away, lost them, or what they are, but I'm gonna just get these. And y'all can see I got like thread in the car, cause the sewing machine should be on the way today with the markers. That should be here. So I'm gonna just get these jeans, add them to the car, and then what else do we need? That should be everything. And then I don't have everything now, but come on the 14th, or I might do it on the 15th, because Amazon like to drop stuff off kind of late. I guess it just depends. But then I try to get this video out as quick as possible. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I actually have the jeans, have the thread, the sewing machine, and all that. And yeah. And quick disclaimer: I won't even consider myself drip or a drippy person. I know y'all see like this shirt, this chain, like this ain't really shit, this thing on my head. But I just be doing me, bro. Just do you, bro. Fun shit that you like, bro. Like I'm not drip. I really do not consider myself like. I put that shit on sometimes, but like I don't wear designer clothes. I don't really do none of that. I just, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, that being said, just had to let y'all know real quick. And, woo, I'm back, y'all, and it is currently the 12th. The jeans did come here. It's late at night because I don't know what time the jeans got here, but I wasn't here. You know, like I said, the jeans finally came. So, with that being said, what I'm gonna do now is I haven't really touched any of the packages. Like all this stuff is still wrapped up, so I'm about to unbox it. Even the markers. But what y'all do want to do, like I said, just grab your jeans that you want to, you know what I'm saying? These the ones I'm going to be doing. Take my template jeans. I got them sitting right there. And find a flat surface. And you know what I'm saying? Because you're going to need that sewing machine. I say that. And yeah. But yeah. Let's just hop straight into it. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, this is like the before the jeans. I just wanted to show y'all the before and the after. So this is the before the jeans. And what you want to do is, next up, you just want to find you a flat surface. Take the jeans and flip them inside out. And then lay the jeans on your flat surface. Make sure they straight and, flatten them out. Because, you gonna need to layer them. But don't put the jeans how I do. You gonna see later on I flipped the jeans over, I messed up. But yeah, just make sure they flat and everything, enough. Cause we are finna mark these. Alright, so like I was saying, y'all wanna take y'all jeans that fit y'all and you wanna layer them on top of the other jeans. And bring them to the inside, not the outside. And try to do one leg at a time. Y'all gonna see I took the other leg just like so and flipped it so I can do one at a time. Doing one at a time is just easier instead of trying to do two at a time and mess it all up. And you don't want the jeans looking all different and stuff. So just take one leg, make sure it's straight like so, and then you just want to take a marker and start marking them. Now, unfortunately, I do not have the clips of me going through and marking them, but it's like math. What you do to one side, you got to do to the other. So just mark one, mark the other. Thread your thread machine, and just go along the lines that we just made along the lines of the jeans, and look at the results. So guys, that is the end of the video. If you did learn how to start sewing or how to take your jeans from baggy to skinny, then leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't learn anything, or if it didn't turn out, then maybe you did something wrong. I don't know. But y'all see the results. And I actually don't know how this video is gonna turn out, bro. It's gonna be weird, cause like it's just gonna be weird. But hopefully y'all were able to transition your jeans like I was. It was like I said, this is my first time. I don't know if I said that already, but this is my first time actually sewing jeans at that. So if I could do it first try, then you could definitely do it like first, second, or third try. This video did take a lot of time though, so if y'all could please subscribe is the biggest one. But yeah, I do got another video planned for y'all, and it's gonna be a good video. But like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.